Garmin is rolling out another major over-the-air update for its smartwatch lineup, and this one is more than just routine maintenance. The latest firmware introduces new features, performance refinements, and a long list of bug fixes for devices including the Fenix 8 series, Enduro models, and several other high-end Garmin wearables. And honestly, this update highlights one of Garmin's biggest strengths in the wearable market right now: long-term software support. According to recent reports, Garmin's newest OTA package improves multiple areas of the smartwatch experience. Users are getting better touchscreen responsiveness, refined audio prompts, improved workout tracking stability, and fixes for random system resets that some users previously reported. Garmin is also refining health and fitness functionality. Some watches now receive upgraded morning report tools, new glance widgets, and more accurate recovery and training guidance systems. On select models, Garmin has added enhanced workout execution scoring and deeper post-training insights.
What makes these updates especially important is how Garmin continues to support watches long after launch. While many smartwatch brands focus heavily on yearly hardware refreshes, Garmin has been aggressively improving existing devices through software. That means owners of older Fenix, Instinct, and Forerunner models are still receiving meaningful feature upgrades in 2026, not just security patches. The update also focuses heavily on reliability. Garmin reportedly addressed issues involving multi-sport workouts freezing, navigation instability, Bluetooth inconsistencies, and occasional reboot problems. These may sound minor individually, but together they directly impact the experience athletes depend on during real-world training sessions. And this matters because Garmin's audience isn't just casual smartwatch users anymore. These devices are increasingly being used for endurance sports, outdoor navigation, diving, cycling, and professional-grade fitness tracking. Stability and accuracy are no longer optional features. They're essential. Interestingly, Garmin also appears to be expanding the smartwatch side of its ecosystem. Recent updates introduced additional glance views, smarter notification handling, improved sleep insights, and even new voice-related features tied to compatible accessories. So while competitors continue chasing thinner designs and AI marketing buzzwords, Garmin is quietly focusing on something many athletes care about more: making existing products better over time. And in today's wearable industry, that level of software commitment is becoming increasingly rare. For Garmin users, this latest OTA rollout may not completely transform their watch overnight, but it does reinforce why the brand continues to dominate serious fitness and outdoor markets. And honestly, consistent updates like these might be just as important as launching an entirely new smartwatch.